Hello and welcome. It's Cara and I am here today to share a 5 days of fall collab kit. But first I wanted to say for everyone in Louisiana and surrounding states, we're thinking about you and praying for you, and I hope that the cleanup and all that goes quickly and everyone gets to safety and all that stuff. So here are my thoughts and prayers. All right, so Julie and I are doing another collab, and this time it's 5 days of fall, and we wanted to show the kits now so you have enough time to kind of get prepared. We aren't actually starting the 5 days until September 22nd. So our kits are ready, they're listed, they're currently 50% off in each of our shops. If you haven't done a collab or a 5 days or a collab where DearJulieJulie and I are together, she makes a kit and I make a kit, and then we take a day, like 5 days in a row, and the first day we work on items from day 1, and then we do day 2, day 3, etc. So let's kind of talk about the two collaboration, the kits. So here's my day 1, and I forgot to put day 1, but here's my day 1. We have some tags and some ephemera, and this is kind of the color scheme that I went with. It's a little bit different than your usual, but it does have the fun oranges and things that we think of fall. So there's tags, and then here's Julie's day 1, this big envelope, and then lots of ephemera over here with this really fun mushroom. So that's day 1. So again, we would take these pages and make items using the pieces on the 2 pages. All right, so here's my day 2. We have a pocket with a little squirrel, a couple postcards, some ephemera, and some tags. This could be a layer tag. I made it so that like the sides right here kind of peek out if you want to layer this on top. So that's my day 2. And here's Julie's day 2. It's a beautiful sunflower and a postcard and some mushrooms. So that's day 2. Day 3, I have a background page. This could be a page in a journal. It could be torn up and used for collage. And here's Julie's day 3. So she has some deer and a squirrel and a pumpkin and some butterflies. This could also be an envelope or tags or however you want to use it. All right, what day are we on? So it's day 3. So here's day 4, and I made a collage sheet. These have seemed to be really popular in past collaborations. So I have a bunch of pieces that you can either cut out and use as ephemera, or you can make tags or journaling cards or different things with it. And then here is, whoops, I grabbed too many. Here is Julie's day 4 with this really large piece that could be a tag and some fun other elements with the owl. And it's funny because we make our kits separate, but it ends up all kind of working out. It's really cool. All right, so that was day 4. And here's day 5. I have a lot of autumn and fall words here, and then some ephemera. And I thought this was kind of fun, the photo record, so if you're doing memory keeping, and then a layered tag. This is a pumpkin little clip from a magazine and some layered fall. And then this was a poem about flowers and just different gardening things in the background. And then here's Julie's day 5 with, again, fun butterflies and this really cool game piece. All right, so those are the 5 days. And so then, for those of you who want to take the pieces that you've created in your 5 days and you want to make a journal, or maybe you want to make a file folder, flip kind of thing, a mini book, all those kind of fun things, I have a second kit, and these are the journal pages that will coordinate with the items from the 5 days. So here are the pages, and I think there's 8. So here's the first one with some birds and like the ripped kind of paper and the words behind. And here we have our pumpkins. My mom, when I showed her the kit, she's like, well, Cara, where are the blue pumpkins? So I added some blue pumpkins. This little journaling card that's attached with this paper clip. And then some mixed media leaves over the top. And then we have the squirrel. I just love this postcard, so fun. And then a little specimen card with the butterfly. And then we have another background sheet with some mushrooms and some wheat and squirrels. So again, this could be a backing for journal pages like this, or you can make tags from it, all sorts of fun things. And here's another background sheet, same thing. This one has butterflies and leaves. And then this one with that blue, I just love this color. The blue and the orange, I just love it. I don't know. It's a little bit different from your traditional fall, but I really, really like it. And then most of us have kiddos going back to school, and I found this public school page, and I thought this was really cool to kind of put behind since this time of year the kids are going back to school. And here's another one with another paper clip and some writing space. This really beautiful fall flower. And then these mushrooms here. And then here's this one with the deer checking out the squirrel and vice versa. Not too sure what to think of each other. And then the butterflies and the mushrooms. All right, so there's 8 pages in the journal kit, and it's currently on sale. And then I'll probably put it back on sale again a couple days before the collaboration starts, since there's a little bit of time. But if you wanted to kind of get a jump on getting ready, you could cut out the pieces from the collaboration kits, if there's any coffee dyed paper, those kind of things. But we just wanted to give people enough time to kind of get ready. And then we have the 5 days. And the other fun thing about this collaboration is Julie's design team and my design team are also going to have these kits, and then they're going to offer their inspiration on their take on the 5 days. And so that makes it even more fun to go check out what other people are making. And if you're participating and maybe you're not what we're calling our elf or on the design team, please post. If you have a YouTube channel, we'd love to watch your videos. We're coming up with a hashtag. I don't know it yet, but I will add it to this description once it's kind of been confirmed. And then I'll also have it in my Facebook group. So that was the other thing. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can also come and join Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and we would love to see your inspiration that you've created there. We'll be posting pictures and videos in the group. It's really, really fun. That's my favorite part, is to see how people who take the same 2 pages, how their creations are so different, and it's just really fun. All right, so if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.